Let us discuss how to derive resultant focal length of two lenses in contact. స్పర్శలో ఉన్న పలుచని కటకాల ఫలితనాభ్యంతరంకు సమీకరణమును ఉత్పాదించు. Consider two lenses A and B of focal lengths f1 and f2 placed in contact with each other. Let the object be placed at O beyond the focus of the first lens A. The first lens produces image at I1. The second lens produces image at I2. O is the object on the principal axis beyond the first lens. Light coming from object and incident on the first lens. First lens forms the image at I1. This image acts as object to the second lens. It produces image at I. U is the object distance. V is the image distance. V1 is the image distance formed by first lens. V is the image distance formed by second lens. Applying one by V minus one by U is equal to one by F to first lens and second lens. We get for first lens one by V1 means V1 means image formed by image distance formed by first lens minus 1 by U object distance. U means object distance is equal to 1 by F1. This is equation number 1. Second lens. For second lens, one by V1. For second lens, 1 by V means image distance minus 1 by object distance V1. 1 by V1. V1 is the object distance. This is object to the second lens is equal to 1 by F2. Equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2. We get 1 by V1 minus 1 by U plus 1 by V minus 1 by V1 is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. That is 1 by V1 plus 1 by V1 minus 1 by V1 cancel. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. This is equation number 3. If the two lens system is regarded as equivalent to a single system, single lens of focal length we have once again, if the two lens system is regarded as equivalent to a single lens of focal length f, we have ఈ వ్యవస్థను ఒకే కటకంగా భావిస్తే 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Question number 4. so that we get 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. This equation is valid for any number of thin lenses in contact. Suppose n lenses are in contact, n lenses of focal length f1, f2, f3 and so on fn. Then the resultant focal length length 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3 plus and so on plus 1 by fn. Suppose n lenses of focal lengths f1, f2, f3 and so on fn. Then the resultant focal length 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3 plus and so on 1 by f. Diagram like this: f1, f2, f3 and so on fn. We know that focal power of the lens system, lens P is equal to 1 by f. That implies 1 by f means P is equal to 1 by f1 means P1 plus 1 by P2 plus P3 plus and so on plus Pn, where P is the focal power of the combined system is equal to P1. P1 means power of the first lens, P2 means power of the second lens, P3 means power of the third lens and so on. Let us how to know derive an expression for the thin double convex lens. Can you apply the same to double concave lens? Or derive lens maker's formula. ఒక పలుచని ద్వికుంభాకార కటకానికి ఒక సమాసాన్ని రాబట్టండి. ఈ సమాసాన్ని ద్విపుటాకార కటకానికి అనువర్తింప చేయవచ్చా లేదా కటక తయారీదారుల సమాసాన్ని రాబట్టండి. Refraction through double convex lens can be studied in 2 steps. ద్వికుంభాకార కటకం గుండా వక్రీభవనంను 2 అంచెలతో చెప్పవచ్చు. ఫస్ట్, this is convex lens. A, B, C, D. A is the convex lens. Consider an object is placed beyond the lens. The object distance is here is U. This light is refracted and strikes the principal axis at I. The image distance, that means DI is V. N1 and N2 are the 2 medium. N1 means refractive index of the first medium, N2 is the refractive index of second medium. Once again, consider an object. O is the object on the principal axis. Light coming from object is incident on the convex lens. After refraction, it strikes the principal axis at I. U is the object distance, V is the image distance. కటకం నుంచి వస్తువు కల దూరం U, కటకం నుంచి ప్రతిబింబానికి కల దూరం V. Refraction through double convex lens can be studied in 2 steps. ద్వికుంభాకార కటకం వల్ల వక్రీభవనంను 2 అంచెలతో చెప్పవచ్చు. we know that equation for spherical surfaces వక్రీభవన తలాలకు సమీకరణము. Already you know that n1 by mo plus n2 by mi is equal to n2 minus n1 by mc. Applying this condition to first refracting and second refracting surfaces separately, we get first step. Apply this equation to first refracting surface. This is the first refracting surface. First refracting surface. The first refracting surface forms the image at I1 of the object. First refracting surface forms the image at I1. Applying this condition, n1 by mo means n1 by mo means here bo plus n2 by there mi here bi1 is equal to n2 minus n1 by bc1 equation number 1. Now second step. This image acts as virtual object to the second refracting surface. This image acts as virtual object to the second refracting surface. It forms image HI. Image I1 is acts as object to the second refracting surface. It forms image at I. Once again, the image I1 serves as the object to the virtual object to the second refracting surface. This surface forms the image at I. Here C2 is the center of curvature of the spherical surface. C1 is the center of curvature of spherical surface. R2 is the radius of curvature of the surface. R2 అనేది రెండో తలం యొక్క వక్రతా వ్యాసార్థం. R1 అనేది మొదటి తలం యొక్క వక్రతా వ్యాసార్థం. C1 అనేది గోళాకార తలం యొక్క కేంద్రం. C2 అనేది గోళాకార తలం యొక్క కేంద్రం. రెండో గోళాకార తలం యొక్క కేంద్రం. ఇవి యానకాల యొక్క వక్రీభవన గుణకాలు. Where n1 and 2 are the refractive indices of the two media. Now applying condition to second refracting surface, we get n2 by minus di1, the object distance, plus n1 divided by di, image distance, is equal to n2 minus n1 by dc2 minus dc2. Minus sign indicates our measurement is measured opposite to the incident light ray. This is equation number 2. Adding 1 plus 2 that equal to n1 by first equation n1 by v1 plus n2 by BI1 minus N2 by BI1 plus N1 by BI is equal to N2 minus N1 by BC1, first equation, plus N2 minus N1 divided by minus BC. That equal to N1 by B1, N2 by BI1, N2 by BI1 minus N2 by DI1 is cancelled because BI1 per thin length BI1 is equal to DI1. For thin length BI1 is equal to DI1. That's why N2 by BI1 minus N2 by DI1 cancel. Now N1 by BO plus N1 by DI is equal to N2 minus N1 common into 1 by BC1 minus 1 by DC2. That equal to, that implies N1 by BO. BO means U plus N1 by DI. DI means V. DI is equal to V. Is equal to N2 minus N1 into 1 by BC1 is equal to R1 minus 1 by DC2 means R2. Here BC2 is equal to R2. BC1 is equal to R1. That implies N1 common 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to N2 minus N1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Chapna BO. The distance BO is measured opposite to the light ray. That's why you take minus U. BO is equal to minus U. BO అనే దూరాన్ని పతన కాంతికి వ్యతిరేక దిశలో కొలుస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి మైనస్ U గా తీసుకోగలిగాం. That's why BO is equal to minus U. Okay, and here N1 is common. That implies 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 divided by N1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to N2 by N1 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. We know that 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to, we know that 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by R. Focal length of the lens. And N2 by N1 is equal to N21. N2 is the refractive index of the second medium. N1 is the refractive index of first medium. That is equal to N2 by N1 is equal to N suffix 21. The refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. Substitute these values in above equation we get substitute these values in above equation. We get 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by r is equal to n21 n2 by n1 is equal to n21 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This is Lensmaker's formula. కటక తయారీదారుల సమాసం. మళ్ళీ ఆయన రాత్రి. This is Lensmaker's formula for convex lens. Convex lens. Equation is the above equation is valid even for concave lens. The above equation is valid even for concave lens. పై సమీకరణము పుటాకార దర్పణానికి పుటాకార కట్టానికి కూడా వర్తించారు. In this case for concave lens R1 is negative, R2 is positive, and the focal length F is negative. For concave lens, we take R1 is negative because the distance R1 is measured opposite to the incident ray direction. R2 is positive. Incident ray direction and our measurement R2 is parallel to each other. That's why we take positive. Focal length F is negative. Focal length F is negative. Focal length for concave lens is negative. Apply these conditions, we above equation we get 1 by F means minus F is equal to n21 minus 1 into 1 by R1 means minus R1 minus 1 by R2. R2 is positive. That is equal to minus 1 by F is equal to n21 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Here minus 1 is common. Minus minus cancel. Finally 1 by F is equal to n21 minus 1 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is the equation for concave lens. పుటాకార దర్పణానికి సమీకరణం.